Bob Wine was in Mbale, he was in Busoga. I don't think the focus is in Uganda, but the communication needs to change. Because you may think it is simple. Communication is everything in a political season. You make one statement and you will not walk it back. Because you can't be a leader of Mwanga's profile, Mwanga's experience, and the radio stations, the television stations, quoting you as saying, your main focus is to consolidate here. No, that cannot. You need to get some other people to do that. Mwanga Chifumbi, as Odongo said, cannot do a Serare in Arua, cannot do a Serare in Acholi, cannot do a Serare in Kavale. So you are a national leader. Don't assign yourself regional responsibility. You are smallizing your struggle. Actually,
in the parts of Acholi, such conduct is being interpreted as a biafe or kabaka yeka. They say they have regrouped in Nu. So people are very cautious dealing with them.
So it is serious because that's what we've been accused all the time.